1. Know your sprayer before use. We include a silicone funnel, nozzle kit, and seal replacement kit. And then proper preparation for better use. 2. Set up your sprayer. Use a wrench to open the filling cap. Place silicone funnel. Before filling, ensure the liquid is compatible. Do not add water-based solutions, acids, or alkalis. Pour the liquid into the container. Ensure the liquid is free of particles. Store the liquid and funnel properly. Make sure the nozzle and cap are securely installed. You can label the liquids according to your preferences. Pump air to build pressure. Apply pressure to the recommended working range. For your safety, do not continuously apply excessive pressure. Now you are ready to spray. Before spraying, lightly press to test the function. And then adjust distance for best results. So you can press the trigger and spray freely. When you need to add liquid again or remove the nozzle seat, you must depressurize in advance. We provide 2 nozzles and 1 spiral, offering 2 types stream and 2 types mist in combination. When you change the nozzle, use one wrench to fix the seat, use another to lose the nozzle. The original nozzle is 1.0 mm stream flow. When you need mist spray, insert the spiral and switch to atomization mode. You can flexibly switch the spray pattern as needed. Good maintenance leads to a consistently experience. We recommend releasing the pressure after each use. If the nozzle is clogged, use a needle to unclog. If the seal is damaged or lost, don't worry, we provide you with a complete set of seals. External seals can be easily replaced. Use a wrench to lose the parts. Replace the most commonly used seals. These internal seals require full disassembly with specific tools. Please refer to the user manual for details. At last, store the sprayer in a cool, dry place against rust. Enjoy your efficient spraying.